Gold prices, after catching a initial bid yesterday, bouncing at around that key area of liquidity, which we'll look at in a moment, because we had an underwhelming Federal Reserve decision where 9 members voted for unchanged. Only 3 were calling for the hike. So that is not hawkish at all. So gold was like, yes. And the fact that when you look at the CME Fed Watch tool, okay, the CME Fed Watch tool, remember, over 30% were positioned for a potential hike. So those that were positioned, all those positions that was positioned for the surprise shock of the hike got flushed out. And that's why dollar came under pressure. And that's why gold, when you look at gold, we had this big pumping from 7 p.m. London time, boom, and then pushed the upside and then rejecting at this key area of liquidity here. Okay. And this was the key area of liquidity because you could have looked at it as a potential double bottom there. Either way, we didn't break it down. We had another challenge overnight and faced big rejection. Now, the reason why gold has lost ground again is because US launches heavy strikes on Iran after attempted attack on American troops. It's a whole inflation trade. We've been over this numerous times. Oil price obviously supported to the upside, okay, which weighs on gold, okay, because of the inflation trade. Now, if you look here, we're still in this awful range, which it just looks incredibly vulnerable to me, guys. Incredibly vulnerable. I would still like to see this area of liquidity being taken out. Boom, boom, boom. Obviously, we are capped to the upside of 4,200. There's no signs of that. In order to do this, we'd need complete peace in the Middle East. And right now, we haven't got that. Complete and utter peace in the Middle East and oil price to come all the way back down, all the way down for gold to rise. Okay, the whole inflation trade. Guys, by the way, if you want this level of knowledge, you want to be able to capitalize this on a daily basis, weekly basis, consistently, check out all the links, the resources below. If you have any questions, you can hit me up on DM. Mentorship is open in terms of the waiting list. Catch your next update.